Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can extract the audio from the video that you want to extract in CapCut. So it is super simple, and I'm using CapCut for PC. So to make extract audio, go to go to audio and select extracted audios and select import. So select your video you like to extract the audio. Click open, and here's the audio has been extracted. Just add to the track to start the editing. So other 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 ways you can go to media, select local and select the video, then just import and select your video that you want to extract it, and add to the track. Right click and select separate audio. Here's the audio has been extracted. Yeah, it's so super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much.